For our next unit, we are doing a multi genre project where you're going to do some research over a topic that you are interested in. So, um, before spring break, I just want you to be thinking about your topic, and we're gonna dive into the actual project after spring break. But um, just for today, I just want you to be thinking about what topic you want to do. So the parameters for this is to pick a topic you're interested in, but don't pick a topic you already know a lot about. Otherwise, it's going to be a waste of your time because you won't have learned anything. You want to pick something that you're gonna learn something about, and it has to be something that's school appropriate. So that those are the parameters for this. Eventually, what we're gonna do is you're gonna pick a topic, and then you're gonna find a podcast that is about your topic and listen to it and analyze it. And then you're going to find a TED Talk about your topic and learn something about your topic from the TED Talk, and then an infographic, and then an article, and then a documentary. And so you're going to, instead of doing a research project where you're just googling and finding articles, you're going to be looking at different types of genres. That's why it's called a multi-genre project. And so the only thing you're really needing to do right now is pick a topic. So you're going to go on this topic choice form, and what I've done is I've given you a bunch of different broad topics. Okay, so you've got, as you can see, sports, biographies, education, health, technology, um, real life mysteries or conspiracy theories, crime related topics, social media, gender issues, cults, unsolved crimes, the justice system, celebrities, fashion, cars, history, psychology, scams, a ton of them. So let's say that you choose, I don't know, let's say you choose um, cults, okay? So I don't want you to choose, let's pick something else. Let's say you choose, um, I had a really good one yesterday that I was thinking about. Voting. Okay, let's say you choose voting. Well, I don't want you to just tell me, I don't want to report about voting. You got to narrow it down. What about voting? Um, are you wanting to talk about the electoral college versus the popular vote? Are you wanting to talk about systemic racism in voting? Are you want to talk about voter suppression? What is it specifically that you're wanting to talk about? Video games. I don't want to report about your favorite video game. Like, what about video games? Should video gaming become, do you want to tell me about esports? Something like that. Scams. Don't tell me about a bunch of different scams, not a report, but pick a specific scam and, you know, tell me about this specific scam that you learn about. You already know a little bit about it, but you want to learn more about. So it needs to, like, these are the broad topics, but you need to narrow it down to something very specific. So if you choose other, you got to tell me what you mean. Okay, so then I need help finding a specific topic for the general topic I chose. Yes or no, you already know what you're going to focus on. What are you going to specifically focus on? Include your answer here. If you don't know, that's okay. Just indicate that here. If you were trying to decide between a few, list them all and we can figure it out. So, if you choose voting and you're like, I don't know if I want to do the Electoral College versus popular vote, or if I want to do voter suppression, list them both. And then if you and I need to do a Google Meet and we figure that out together, we can do that. And then I want you to tell me why you chose this topic, what you want to accomplish. Convince me it's worth your time. Because if you can't fill out this last question, then it's not going to be worth your time, right? So, and these are just suggestions. That's why there's an other there. I mean, there's a bajillion topics out there, but pick something that is something you're interested in, but that you want to learn more about. Don't make it something that you already know a lot about. Okay, so that's really the main thing that you're gonna do for before spring break, or before we dive into this project, is just figuring out what your topic is, of course. So, all right, let me know if you have any questions.